Hi, I'm Gerard. I'm here at the AUSA 2025 with the Amphenol group. I am with Narda Safety Test Solutions, recently acquired by Amphenol, and I'm here showcasing the Signal Shock RF receiver for looking for signals of interest, whether RF monitoring, spectrum management, looking for intentional jammers or spoofers, or drone detection. Now, the heart of the system is the Signal Shock receiver, which covers a frequency range from 8 kilohertz to 8 gigahertz. The Signal Shock system is a Windows embedded architecture, so it's an open architecture. You can easily expand upon it, just like a Windows computer. We also have the ability to write Python scripts. And just like a Windows computer, I can go from screen to screen. Right now, I'm in spectrum mode. I have a spectrogram open, a peak table. If I see a signal of interest, I can then go into the real-time mode, which is 40 megahertz of real-time spectrum. If I want to add a task, it's very simple. Another feature. Now the handheld receiver is 8 kilohertz, 8 gigahertz. We have directional antennas that cover 8 kilohertz or 26.5 gigahertz. For automatic direction finding, we have the ADFER 2. It's our automatic direction finding antenna. Very small, lightweight, weighs roughly 12 pounds. It can be installed on a mast. It can also be installed on top of a vehicle with a magnetic mount. The unit covers 10 megahertz to 8 gigahertz. The unit itself is powered by the Signal Shock, the receiver. So all of the phase shifting, the switching of the elements and the algorithms is done inside of the Signal Shock. It's very light. It can be easily deployed in the field in under 15 minutes. If you'd like more information, please go to amphenolaerospace.com, and thank you for your time.